Today we are delighted to welcome government officials, business organisations, our customers and the media to the XEOS inaugural ceremony. We showed our guests our LEAP overhaul capability, our state-of-the-art test cell and our training centre, all powered by our amazing XEOS team.
And I'm delighted to be part of the XEOS programme today. I've had the opportunity to work with some of the most amazing talent that I've met in my career who are building this story into, a fantastic chapter in our history.
Po zobaczeniu tego warsztatu, tego zakładu, całej załogi, która tutaj pracuje, jestem przekonana, że nasza współpraca będzie układała się bardzo dobrze i mam takie duże poczucie komfortu, że nasze silniki będą obsługiwane w najlepszy możliwy sposób przez bardzo zdolnych ludzi tutaj z regionu, także liczę na wiele lat dobrej współpracy pomiędzy LOT-em a XEOS-em.
I'm very happy that today is the day when we had the inauguration of XEOS, so the reopening to offer the market LEAP services in overhaul, and that we already have built up such a great team at XEOS, which we are really proud of, and also very happy to welcome our customer, of which we inducted the first engine, which is LOT Polish Airlines.
Thank you for joining us today at XEOS, and we look forward to sharing our journey with you as we grow.